Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 8 Pro and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open our browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries because this operation looks pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to recreate my steps and apply them to your browser. Alright, so let's move into the instructions. As I said, open the browser, and here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on delete browsing data. As you can see in this version, in this updated version, we've got this option here. Usually we should enter the history and other options, but here we've got delete browsing data, and I would say those options are pretty basic. So we can remove browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. We can also change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, last 4 weeks, or even all time. It's totally up to you. So as I said, it is a basic option, and if you want to, you can always enter more options, and here we've got advanced settings. So as you can see, we can also remove saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. As I said, we can still change the time range. Let me choose all time, for example. And now all we have to do is to tap on delete data. We just got back to the browser, so we can always tap on the three dots icon and enter the history. And as you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed actually everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.